how to use Canva templates in PowerPoint. So if you want to use Canva templates in PowerPoint, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Canva at first and then go with the presentation section. Now under presentation, you can just simply go and start your presentation. You can go with templates, which will be on the left side, and select the templates that you want. You can apply all of the templates if you want. Once you've done with the presentation, then what you need to do is just simply go with the upper right, which has that share option. And here you need to go with download, and here you will have the file type. So go with the file type, and under your file type you need to go with Microsoft PowerPoint document. Just click on it and then go with download. Just wait for a few minutes till it downloads. Once it's downloaded or once it's completed, you can just click on the upper right, which has that download section, and you can see the file right here. Just click on the file and it will open your Canva in your presentation, PowerPoint presentation. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.